Welcome to Focus to Grow. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to export Instagram followers, organize them, and automate your DMs using the IGDM bot. First, choose the account you want to work with. Export the followers as a CSV file, then upload it to Google Sheets for easy management. Highlight usernames in green once you've used them to stay organized. Next, copy the usernames and paste them into ChatGPT to format them with commas. Quick reminder, if you know other helpful tips or tools, join our Discord community. We're sharing everything for free to help people grow fast on social media. Copy this list back into the IGDM bot, add your personalized message, and you're ready to send automated DMs. Whether you're looking to boost engagement, grow followers, or promote your products and websites, the choice is yours. This tutorial is simply a guide to help you get started. If you found this helpful, give us a like, join our Discord for questions and networking, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time, your Focus to Grow team.